Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and launching Nvidia Profile Inspector with administrative rights so changes apply correctly. Once done, locate and unzip the latest build, then run the exe as administrator. This prevents permission errors. Before you touch settings, export your current profile as a backup file so you can restore if anything breaks. Make sure to note which profile corresponds to the target game or application. That way your edits apply only where you intend, and you reduce risk of system-wide impacts. You then pick the app profile from the list or create one for modded or custom executables so changes are scoped. Once selected, change core fields, power management mode for stability, anti-aliasing and texture filtering for visual quality, and ambient occlusion for performance balance, because these directly affect FPS and visuals. Make incremental adjustments rather than big leaps. This helps isolate what improves behavior. After each change, hit apply and test the game to measure the effect before moving to the next parameter. You finish by applying your edits and restarting the target game to verify results. Observe FPS, input latency, and any visual artifacts to confirm the intended effect. If something goes wrong, immediately revert by importing your backup. Nip file or reset the specific setting to default because restoring is faster than diagnosing blind. Make a short change log as you go and test one tweak at a time so you can pinpoint which adjustment caused the change. That approach makes troubleshooting predictable and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.